and I've been seeing my daughter since she was 9 months. She'll be 13 this year. She's also stated plenty of times that uh I might not even be the daddy.
We're here on a petition for confirmation of non-agreed child support review order. At first, asked that the court take judicial notice of the state's petition, which shows that Ms. Askew did participate in the negotiation conference.
So noted.
Thank you, Judge. Because she participated in that conference and was given notice of today's hearing but has not appeared, we'd like to proceed with the default.
You may.
So, Judge, the state is simply asking that the order be confirmed as is. Ms. Askew signed that document at the negotiation conference, but Mr. Davis is objecting to the order being entered. So if I could just call him to take testimony on that issue.
You may.
Sir, would you please state your full name?
Rodney Davis.
And you are objecting to the court entering this order in its totality. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and why is that?
For one, I'm already on child support with my first kid in 2 different states, and I've been seeing my daughter since she was 9 months. She'll be 13 this year. 2, she's also stated plenty of times that I might not even be the daddy. And 3, we've had numerous times where we've tried to do the back and forth thing as far as my child go, but it seems like every time we have an issue, I don't get to see or talk to my child. Prior to the first negotiation, I knew nothing about it at all. I didn't receive any notice, nothing in the mail, no text message or email. But prior to that Monday, I got a call that morning asking where I was at, and I had no idea I was supposed to be at court. But prior to that first negotiation, I was just with her, helping her out, taking my kids to school and picking them up, helping her out. And I wasn't even told nothing at all. I knew nothing at all. So when I left, that following Monday is when I got the call from court asking where I was, and I knew nothing about it. So I called Attorney General back, and I talked to them, and I asked for a reset. And
Oh, sir, I just want to clear this point up. We discussed this in the breakout room, but that was not a court date. That was simply a negotiation conference with someone from our office. And because no order was entered that day, nothing is taking an effect from that negotiation conference, you had the opportunity to request this hearing today with the court to dispute the order, which is what we're here to do. So the fact that you didn't participate in the negotiation conference is neither here nor there, because you have your opportunity today to state that you don't agree with the order, okay? Okay, so having said that, you've listed a number of reasons why you don't agree with the order being entered. Are there any other reasons?
Yeah, just literally 2-3 weeks ago, she just popped up and came to my house and went on a rant about how she didn't need it and didn't want it. And I asked her, well, if you didn't need or want the child support, then why did you go put me on child support knowing what I'm already going through with my kids before my last child? Why would you do that? And she had no answer. Just last week, she just texted me in the middle of the night about some anonymous stuff that had nothing to do with anything. And it's like, every time we have a situation, I don't get to see or talk to my kids. But the minute she come out, whatever she got going on, or she be in an emotional state, the minute she come out of it, she'll contact me, or she'll try to contact me, or if she can't get a hold to me, she'll pull up unannounced. I'll see my kids, and then it's always something come after that. It's always something come after that. So when I don't agree or don't give it no attention, then that's when I don't get to see my kid. I don't get to talk to her. Only time I really do get to talk to her, see her, is when she's pulling up and popping up out of the blue. I've called numerous of times, but I'm always blocked. And then, like I said too, like I'm already going through enough with my first kid, and I haven't seen my daughter and since she was 9 months, literally. My daughter, since she was taken from me, she's in California. I don't have no address. Only thing I know as far as city-wise, she's in San Diego. I don't like I'm already going through enough. I'm already going through enough. I've been with my child, my last child. I'm here for it now. I've been with my child since birth. I haven't messed with her mother in about 4 or 5 years. You know what I'm saying?
Judge.
And I'm already going through enough. I'm already stressed out. I'm like,
Okay, I
I
got
have
it,
a
Mr. Davis. That, Judge, at this point, I'll pass the witness. I will just inform the court that there is an acknowledgement of paternity attached to the state's petition for the child subject of this suit. And Mr. Davis's child support was calculated at a level of 16%, giving him credit for his other 2 children.
Mr. Davis, you told me a lot of things, but none of those things is a legal reason for me not to enter this order. So I'm going to confirm the non-agreed CSRP as is. I know you say you're going through enough and all of that. My job is not to make life easier for you. It's to do what's best for your child. And so in this situation, what's best for your child is for me to order you to pay child support. Her mother not letting you see her when she doesn't want to. Now you have an order that says you get to see her every 1st, 3rd, and 5th weekends of the month. And just like you can go to jail for not paying your child support, her mom can go to jail for not letting you see her, okay? Now that I've made my ruling, if you don't like it, if you think it's not fair, if you just don't agree, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This case is out of the 303rd District Court. That's Judge Laditra Atkins. She might have a different opinion from mine. So you would appeal to the 303rd District Court. Now that I've given you all of that information, do you have any questions?
how would I go about just getting trying to get full custody of my kid?
You
Period.
would need to file something with the court system, and you'd either need to consult with a private attorney or go to the law library and do the research and file it yourself, sir.
So
Okay?
do I need to go to the court to make an appeal?
You need to file something with the court to appeal. If you want to know how to do that, Mr. Talley can give you the information on how to file an appeal, okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have any other questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, then thank you for appearing here today and good luck to you. You're free to go, sir.
Thank you, Judge. That is all we have ready at the moment.
Okay.
Thank you.